Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to customize project colors in Asana, the complete 2025 guide. This feature will help you distinguish projects visually, increasing your efficiency in project management. First things first, open up your Asana dashboard and navigate to the project you want to customize. Here's why this matters. By selecting the project first, you're ensuring the changes you make only apply to this specific project. Now that we've done that, click on the Project Actions drop-down menu. You'll find this at the top right corner of your project. The reason we do this is to access all the settings related to our project, including the color customization feature. Next, select Edit Project. This pulls up a new window where you can customize various aspects of your project. You'll see a color palette icon next to the project name. Click on that. This helps us because it's where we access the color options for the project. Once you've clicked, you'll see a variety of colors to choose from. Pick the color that best represents your project, or simply one that you prefer. Let me explain why this matters. Colors can help you visually differentiate between projects, making it easier to locate specific ones when navigating your Asana dashboard. After selecting your color, don't forget to hit Save Changes. This finalizes your color selection and applies it to your project. It's a crucial step because without it, your color customization won't be saved. And there you have it. You've just customized your project color in Asana. By following these steps, you can add a personal touch to your project management and improve navigation. Remember, using Asana effectively is all about making it work for you. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.